learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
The Dongfeng Green Bicycle Way is the first bike route to be transformed from an abandoned railroad. Bicyclists can enjoy the beautiful 12-kilometer path that passes through the Dongshi, Shigang, and Fengyuan districts in Taichung. The path ends at the Dongshi Hakka Cultural Park and was converted from the Dongshi train station's waiting room. The benches are one of the only original pieces of furniture kept. The Hakka Cultural Park introduces visitors to the early Hakka industries, language, and culture. Plus, it holds exhibitions on wedding celebrations, costumes, Hakka music, and more.
Hey, yo, it's time to talk about Hakka on FM 100 Icrt.
Hello， 大家好，我是阿斌哥 Leo。Hello，
你好，大家好，我是Lim Zepsiu. That's Ling Zhuxiu, and that would be also Joseph Lin. And today, we're also going to bring you to Taichung area because that's where we're focused for this whole month.
好，那我们就带大家去这个董司客家文化园区。
董司客家文化园区啊，这我知道啦。东市客家文化园区啦。It's a cultural park, the Hakka Cultural Park that's located in Dongshi, and I'm sure there's a lot of great, cultural things you can find out there. But what activities can we do?
你爱运动吗？
I love it.
哎呀，那我跟你讲，我们就来去那个东风六路骑吃行茶。
吃行茶就是脚踏车、自行车嘛。
对，脚踏车或自行车。
骑就是骑嘛。
而且东风绿廊东风六路它全长其实还蛮长的，大概有12公里。
Oh, not bad. Okay. So there is a bike path that is actually located within this Hakka Cultural Park. It's called 东风绿廊。
东风六路。
Dongfeng Liuklong, and it's about 12 kilometers long, so that's a good, length for an afternoon bike ride.
它就是把旧铁道改变成一个封闭型的自行车的专用道，所以呢，旁边的植物当然长很漂亮啦。
Okay.
然后它附近又有那个东市的客家文化园区。
The bike path is built around an old abandoned train station, and of course, the railroad is there too, so it must be very beautiful. And don't forget, really indulge yourself in the cultural park because, as Leo just suggested, if you want to spend 2 days there, you can actually learn more about the Hakka culture as well. 这个东风绿廊跟大家在讲怎么说？
东风六廊，
东风六廊要来这边呢，要骑四行茶。
对，骑四行茶。
我自己来教了哈。That means riding the bike, and it's all at 东市客家文化园区啦，董司客家文化园区。
哎呦，你教了。
哎呀，
那我不用来了吗？
不用了，下次你可以再待在家里哈。
好，谢谢。
That does it for today's talk about Hakka.
什么太嘎？
安子 say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.